Yo, what's going on, guys? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a super cool wrist mount tower. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Couple things before we get into this video. I'm using the Deviant Plus, and this video is sponsored by Go Yo-Yo UK. However, the website is currently down, and I don't know for how long. But when it's back up, you can go over and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Anyway, let's get into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll into just your basic trapeze and pinch with either your middle finger or thumb. It doesn't really matter. It's just whatever you feel more comfortable with. After getting that pinch, you're going to roll off the string like so, creating this like super nice slack, and then you can whip this slack over like so. Now, whilst whipping this slack over, the goal isn't actually to get it into the yo-yo, but instead just to have it rest on your hand. From there, you can flick both the yo-yo and the slack over both hands, like so. And now you should notice that if you like make the string taut instead of slack, you're in, which is a mount which basically looks like the entrance to a wrist mount. And all you're going to do is enter that wrist mount. So altogether that bit should look like this. Bang. Now once you're into this wrist mount, what you can do is just underpass like so, getting into what I like to call a boat mount. And then you can put your thumb here and so make this chopstick mount by just pressing on this string. And then after that, you're going to roll this over so that you actually go into a chopstick. That is probably the hardest element of this whole trick, so if you can get that down, you're fine. From there, you can reject this string here off the front like so, and then you just do a tension hook and land here, making sure that you go over and in front of the slack like that. After you've presented your tower, you can pop off the back, unroll once, and then land the yo-yo back onto the string. I know that's a lot of information, so I'll go over that bit one more time. So your underpass, chopstick, reject off the front, and then tension hook, tower, pop off the front, unroll once, going round the yo-yo back to front, and then landing back onto the wrist mount. From here, you're going to want to put your finger in this back string, and then pop off the front. Then you can pull your throw hand through this big loop, and you should just be in a trapeze where you can bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick. It's super easy, but it does have a few areas where you might struggle. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know down below, or you can message me at Instagram at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo. Also, as I've said before, I do now have a vlog channel, so you can check that out at Kieran Can't. Otherwise, yeah, I'll go over it one more time for you. Trapeze, pinch, roll off, slack over the wrist, then both slack and yo-yo go round, land into the wrist mount, underpass one, chopstick, reject off the front, tower, pop off, round and wrist mount, and then pop off the front and trapeze, and then bind. And yeah, that's the whole trick. So as I said just 2 seconds ago, got any comments or questions, let me know down below, or message me at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo. Otherwise, yeah, peace.